My name is Jimmy Romero. Ang topic ko ngayon is the threefold natural inclination of the human person. First, natural inclination, self-preservation. This tendency focuses on the instinctive desire for self-preservation, which includes the natural desire to protect one's life and well-being. It provides the basis for ethical principles related to preserving integrity of life and body. The second natural inclination, the production and rearing of offspring. St. Thomas recognized the natural tendency to perpetuate the human species. It is not only about the biological aspect of reproduction, but also about the moral responsibility for the upbringing, education, and formation of the next generation. The third natural inclination, seeking God or seeking truth and moral good. St. Thomas emphasized the highest natural inclination of man, which is the longing for God or the highest good. This tendency includes the pursuit of moral and intellectual virtues and the pursuit of spiritual perfection and divine understanding. These three tendencies form the basis of the theory of natural law of St. Thomas Aquinas, and where he argued the ethical principles can be derived from an understanding of human nature and its inherent tendency. The following of this inclination is considered compatible with a moral and virtuous life, governed by reason and in harmony with natural order established by God. Yan lang po. Thank you.